This episode is about lighting, and one of my favorite types of lighting is daylight, using the sun. We're going to touch on how to take advantage of the best use of sun and when to shoot. This whole entire lookbook we shot with all natural lighting. So sometimes it's really tough to work with that because you have to play with only the hours that you have available. And the best hours available are right in the morning when the sun's going up. You want to skip the noon part if you're outdoors, and then you want to end the day like we are right now in the last 2 hours of light. The very best time to shoot is at sunrise or sunset, also known as the golden hour. The reason it's best to shoot during the golden hour is twofold. First, because the sun isn't right over your head, so you won't get harsh shadows. Second, the quality of light is so much better. At sunset and sunrise, the light has a nice soft warmth to it that your camera will pick up on. So we're out here in the evening, we're at the bike, we're at the beach, we're enjoying it, and I've got a nice bounce card right here. This helps light their faces from the opposite side. So if you notice that they're kind of glowing a little bit right now, we'll take that away and they get more shadow. See that difference? If you don't have an expensive one like this or don't want to buy one, here's about a $2 card from your local store. It can do the same. Card? No card. All right, that's good. Let's head down to the pier and continue doing some more filming. My actors are freezing over here, but this is worth it. So I'm kind of playing with the angle of the reflector, and it kind of works to just catch it and angle it and kind of watch the reflection on their faces, and we're kind of looking at where that goes. One issue that may arise when shooting at sunset and using automatic settings on your camera is that your subject may be dark and underexposed. This is because the sun is directly behind your subject and it's casting a lot of bright light into the camera lens. Just like when we squint and cover our eyes when we're looking into the sun, if your camera is on automatic, it will squint its eyes by reducing the size of the aperture. Luckily, there is a quick fix for this. All you need to do is let more light in, either by adjusting your shutter speed or widening your aperture like this. Beautiful, that's a wrap. So subscribe and comment below, and we'll be right back. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Say no. Oh, crap!
I got you.
Thank you. Watch out. Watch out for them lights. Don't play with the lights. Jeff needs to go home and go to bed.